Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we are looking into two amazing gift ideas. So the holidays are quickly approaching, so I'm going to sprinkle in some gift idea videos in the remaining time. So today we have one subscription box, which I honestly recommend for gifts all the time. Some of you guys may know already. Emmy's coming to join us. And also one item that is not a subscription, but it lasts all year round, and both, spoiler, smell really, really good. So I'm super excited for today's video. Everything we talk about today will be linked below. Nothing is sponsored. I do have promo codes for both of them. Only one is affiliated. I will let you know as we go along. But yeah, thank you again for being here. I love you guys so much. Let's start off with the non-subscription option today. And I'm so excited to have this in my life again. We have some flowers here from Rose Forever. So as the name suggests, these are roses and they last literally forever, at least a year. So I've gotten this in the past. It's been years and it lasted at least a year. Like this is when I lived in my old place. Some of you guys might remember. So this came in a nice cardboard box. It was all padded and nice. I already unboxed it and have had it out on display all week since it came in the mail. So I got the 16 roses in red, which you'll see in a moment, in the round velvet box. So Rose Forever, I want to show you. I'll just show you guys as I talk about that. It's so pretty and I love the velvet. So they are based out of New York and they are made like their roses are all like put together by rose specialists. That sounds like such a cool job. So they preserve their roses, which are all natural, in natural oils. So they're considered vegan. They don't have any toxic ingredients. It's all in oils and they are designed to last at least a year. They smell so good. You can get them in a variety of colors. Of course, I have red, and you can get them in a variety of boxes too. So I got the round one, and there's different materials. You can get different quantity of roses. You can even get just one rose. So the prices vary so you can fit it in your budget. And they were so kind to provide a link and a code, which I'll leave down below, that will get you 40%, or not 40%, $40 off your order. That's even more than the percentage for a lot of these. So $40 off your order. This is a Black Friday special, so I will leave that down below. It's Kitty40. But yeah, again, link and the code down below. And this code is just to help you guys out. So thank you, Rose Forever, for providing that. That is an amazing discount because I believe this one is around $90 right now on their website. So when you use the code, it takes $40 off, which is a big discount. And this is a gift or for yourself or for someone else that lasts at least a year. And you don't need to do any care or upkeep. Look how beautiful this is. I believe I'm gonna put this right over here on my ancestor altar. So it'll always be right there on display and also be in honor of them. It smells so good. It's so pretty. So yeah, you can get a round box, a square box, a clear case. You can get it in a heart shape, and there's so many different colors. So if you don't want red, you can get it in literally like over 16 different colors. When I was looking to select what I wanted, I absolutely ended up going with like you know, the classic red. But there's so many to choose from. So there's really something for everyone. And again, the quantity is different. You can get it from 1 rose to, I don't even know what the max is. This is 16 roses. And again, in the round velvet box. And it's so pretty. I just think this is such a lovely gift. Who does not like getting flowers as a gift? But usually when you get flowers, like a bouquet from someone, they only last like, if you're lucky, like a week, you know? These last at least a year. And I've had this before, so I can attest to it. And it smells so good. And it's so pretty. I was so excited when I got this in the mail. I really like the black velvet personally. This like makes it even a little bit more nicer and bougier in my opinion. But again, they have so many different options. I'm gonna link them down below so you can check them out for yourself. So yeah, Rose Forever, use that $40 code if you want. I feel like this is such a lovely treat for yourself or for someone else. Because yeah, if you're gonna get someone flowers anyways, why not get them something that lasts the whole year round, whole year long. It smells so good. Yeah, so I just like put mine in this top of it. But yeah, if you ever need to close it for some reason, I don't know why you would. But yeah, no upkeep. It just stays fresh with those oils they use to preserve them. So beautiful. I love them. Yay, so that was the Rose Forever. Now let's move on to a subscription box that also smells really good and is an amazing gift idea. And can you guys guess? Yep, I'm sure some of you guys said Vbox. So Vbox is something I've raved about for a long time. We're opening up the November box today. I probably should have already gotten this open, but I'll talk about it as I use the scissors. All right, so I got this open. Now here I can show you Vbox. My favorite. I love Vbox candles. I rave about them every month. That's why I said you guys probably could guess it. So Vbox monthly candle subscription, and they have 3 different subscription tiers. So again, there's an option for different budgets, just like with Rose Forever, starting at $10, and they have a $20 version and a $30 version, and the difference is the size of the candle. We're opening up the $30 version, which they call the Vbox today. So there's also an option to personalize your subscription by letting them know your scent preferences. So this is so good. Like, who doesn't love candles? I feel like this is a great gift for everyone. Flowers, candles, like, yes. It's so simple if you know, like, especially when you don't know what someone likes, even if you do, like, who doesn't like candles with flowers? But I love these. The burn time's great. They smell amazing. Oh my God, I loved last month pumpkin coffee, so good. And the one before that, like autumn night, oh my God, it's been so good. I'm so excited to see what we have for November. I freaking love Vbox. So they use local artisans throughout the United States, so it supports small business, and they make them in small batches, so they're all made, like, hand poured and made without toxic ingredients that when you burn, it will get in the air, which a lot of commercial candles have. Like, warning, look into that. You don't have to worry about that with Vbox. It's clean. You don't have to worry about it. The burn time's amazing. The smell is amazing. I love the candles every single month. And a big bonus, you get an extra goodie in the box each month with each of the subscription plans. So I would link Vbox down below, and I do have an affiliate code with them that will save you $5 off your first month. So definitely take advantage of that. It works on all of the subscription tiers. And yeah, thank you in advance for using that at no extra cost to you. I get a small kickback. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, let's see what we got. I think we said everything. Oh, they're a very eco-conscious, sustainable company. I love it. And the candles come in this reusable, like, canvas bag, and they always have this pretty art print, and they provide a Spotify playlist every month that goes with the candle themes and, like, the seasons. I love it. How pretty is the bag this month? And what does it say here? Be filled with love, joy, and comfort food. How perfect is this for November? If you're in the States, you know, we have Thanksgiving coming up. Ooh, I see the extra goodie. I'm not exactly sure what it is right away. We're gonna see in a moment. I'm just gonna put this box to the side. Emmy's staring at me. So, beautiful bag. You can repurpose this, put gifts in it. If you have, like, a Mercari store, can you send things in it? Let's get the candle out. So excited. And then we'll see where our candle comes from. I have a little, oh, cool. I just caught what the extra goodie is, which again, I'll show you after. But our candles come from Vanilla and Spruce. And Main Street Cafe is the name of this. I just had a flood of memories. I used to live in Main Street apartments in Iowa City back in the day. But okay, let's read about this. So this is, and then we'll do the sniff test. I'm so excited. Sorry, when I get excited, I like skip over my words, and my mind is going faster than I talk. So Vanilla and Spruce, based out of Columbus, Ohio. Vanilla and Spruce offers phthalate-free fragrances designed to evoke nostalgia, dreams, and coziness. Immerse in scents that resonate with you, whether through their body mist or home products like candles, diffusers, and wax melts. Their mission is to inspire quality moments that champion the balance of sentiment and growth, believing that true rest ignites soulful living and deeper connections. Love that. So Main Street Cafe, ooh, it's a number 8 Main Street Cafe. Creamy chai latte, iced ginger scones, cherry tarts, quiet corner, and knitted cardigan sweater. 16-ounce soy candle. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. It smells like it says quiet corner and knitted cardigan sweater. Oh my gosh. So this is in the sweet and spice category. Oh my gosh, you guys. This smells so good. Like, I want to eat it and make chai tea right now. Oh my God. So I'm going to read this too. So the fragrance notes: brown sugar, vanilla, clove, Ginger, star anise, amaretto, and sweet cream. Okay, now take a whiff in and imagine you're sniffing this wonderful scent. Oh my God, I'm just finished a candle. I'm lighting this right away. Okay, but unveil the essence of a quaint cafe as you burn the soul-soothing scent. Let it transport you to a world where the aroma of sweet pastries mingles with rich, creamy brews, creating an atmosphere of warmth and contentment. Oh my God, it smells so good. I swear the candles are killing it lately. Oh my God. It goes with the season so well, and it just like, oh, they were right. They touched on nostalgia. This smells so good. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Burn time, 80 hours, hell yeah. So these are awesome. Oh my God, you guys, it smells so good. Okay, just a few more sniffs and then we'll go to the extra item. So good. Yay. So here's our extra item. When I first saw this, I was like, huh? It's by Vbox. Wooden item. It's an herb stripper. It has a $12 value. Effortlessly separate herb leaves from their stems with our handheld herb stripper. Simply place the herbs in the appropriate size opening and pull through. Genius! I've never had something like this. No wonder I didn't recognize it. Letting the tool do the magic and ensuring you get the most of every sprig. A must-have for culinary enthusiasts and herb lovers alike. Yes, I love it. And you know, I've been really thinking about starting to study herbalism more in depth, so I'm sure I'll have more herbs around, growing them and working with them, because I'm finishing my medical astrology program. I just want to learn all the things, but this is just exciting me and inspiring me more. Yay! So, oops, it just fell and went under the table. It's fine. Okay, I'm not gonna get up though right now. Too excited. Yay! So then let's talk about our little playlist here. Host with the Most, curated by Vbox. A mix of sophisticated and upbeat tracks that set the tone for an unforgettable dinner party, cocktail hour, or other intimate event. Elevate the ambience and raise a toast to memorable evenings, specially curated just for the November Vbox. Nice. So you just like scan this and it brings you to Spotify. So you guys, this is so good. We need to do like some more sniffs. I just love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you got some value from this, some gift ideas, some inspiration. Just enjoyed yourself, because I really enjoyed myself. I will also link up here, somewhere around here, if you guys are looking for a jewelry idea. I recently opened up something by Moonglow, a wonderful like astrology, spiritual based necklace, and they have other jewelry too that would make a great gift for yourself or others, so check that out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, leave a comment, do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.